Okay, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. What about you?
I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Arafat Khan.
This is Mimi speaking. I'm not a good speaker, but I can share something about my session. Now you can ask me in a sentence.
Okay. How often do you visit countryside and why?
I go to visit countryside. My relatives live there, and I love it and I enjoy it. How often do you go to the park and why?
I go to the park several times, and I go to park because I enjoy it. So I like very much. And what type of problems do you face in the countryside?
In the countryside, I face many types of problems such as educational problems, pure drinking water problems, load shedding, etc. What can you do to solve the problem?
I can do solve the problem many things such as repair on construction, awareness of people, and I can arrange workshop, etc. to make the people to conscious about health and sanitary
Suggestions.
sanitations.
Next question.
And do you like traveling and why?
Yes, I like traveling because it's enjoyable and traveling is the part of education. Thank you so much.
Okay, you are welcome.
So, dear viewers, now I'd like to ask some question to our one of the best learners, and he's Mr. Arafat. Okay, so are you prepared?
Yeah, I'm prepared.
Okay, suddenly, I thought that I would like to ask some questions to our learners so that they can learn something. So, viewers, now I'd like to ask the question. No more introduction. So, first of all, I'd like to ask you, where are you from?
I am from Monirampur.
Okay. He's from Monirampur district, Monirampur Thana, it's a Thana, okay. Monirampur in Jashore. Okay, so what about your study?
Recently, I completed my masters, and I'm trying to get a better job.
Okay, he has completed his masters and he's trying to get a better job. So, dear viewers, everybody please pray for him so that he can get a good job. Okay, so what's your hobby?
My hobby is to be a teacher.
Actually, hobby, okay.
Oh, sorry.
Dear viewers, Arafat, he answered that his hobby is to be a teacher. Actually, we know that it's a wrong answer because he wanna be a teacher, but actually teacher or teaching profession, it's a aim in life or ambition. It's not a hobby, but hobby is to do something that you do simply to pass or leisure period or leisure time. So that's called hobby. So are you clear right now?
Okay.
So do you wanna answer again?
Yes.
Okay, so what's your hobby, please?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Okay, his hobby is playing cricket because by playing cricket he wants to pass his leisure time and it's so enjoyable. So actually as a cricket player, I know that you are a player also cricket, you play cricket to pass your leisure time. So I want to ask you right now that which type do you do better performance in batting or bowling?
I'm all-rounder.
Okay, wow, that's it. He's an all-rounder. Okay.
Batting and bowling both side is my favorite. That's why I try to play cricket, bat and ball.
Wow, that's very nice. So viewers, I think you are enjoying our session, but I don't like to prolong this session. I would like to finish here. So viewers, আমরা যে কাজটি এই মাত্র করলাম সেটা হচ্ছে যে আমরা একে অপরকে কিছু প্রশ্ন করেছিলাম, বিশেষ করে আমি তাকে কিছু প্রশ্ন করেছি এবং সে প্রশ্নের উত্তর দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করেছে। আমি শিক্ষক হিসেবে তাকে প্রশ্ন করেছি, সে এখানে স্টুডেন্ট হিসেবে বা একজন পার্টিসিপেন্ট হিসেবে সে কিছু উত্তর দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করেছে। তার উত্তরের মাঝে যে ভুল ছিল না তা কিন্তু নয়, তবে ভুল থাকলে কোনো সমস্যা না, কারণ ভুলের মাধ্যমে আমাদের শিখতে হবে। আমার মনে হয় আপনারাও আমার কথার সাথে একমত হবেন। আর যেহেতু তাকে আমরা হবির কথা জিজ্ঞেস করেছিলাম, সে কিন্তু একটা প্রফেশন বা আই লাইফের কথা যেরকম বলে ফেলেছিল, তাতে কি হয়েছে, আমরা এইভাবে ভুলের মাধ্যমে শিখবো। Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
Okay, so
absolutely right.
do you enjoy this session?
Yes, I enjoy this session very much because I try to speak in English conversation with someone.
Yes, it is true that he is not a good speaker, but after all he is trying to do something better. So everybody please pray for him so that he can do something better to make a very good and decent life. So that's all about your tutorial. Thanks to all. So, dear viewers, today we have been gathered here to start a very short interview, and you can see right now Mim is present here, and she's one of the best and regular learners of the mentors. So, right now I would like to ask her some questions. So, please enjoy the video. Okay, so Mim, I would like to ask you some questions, and are you prepared for this?
Yes, I prepared.
Okay, thank you very much. So, first of all, I would like to ask you, how are you?
I'm also fine. What about you?
Okay, and I'm fine too. Okay, and right now I'd like to ask her another question. Okay, what's your father? So, dear viewers, what's your father? It's a confusing question sometimes, and she's a little bit confused, but she is now clear. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your father?
My father is a retired government employee.
আচ্ছা ওকে আমরা বলার সময় ক্যামেরার দিকে একটু তুমি বলো এবার
Okay, okay. My father is a retired government employee.
Wow, that's so nice. Your father is a retired government employee. So, and what's your mother?
My mother is a housewife. She is a housewife.
Okay, that's very nice. And how many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings, one brother, one sister.
One brother and one sister. Wow, that's so nice. Okay, she has one brother and one sister.
Bye.
Viewers, now I'd like to ask her another question, and the question is, what's your hobby?
My hobby is gardening and traveling.
Okay, gardening and traveling. Do you like travel?
Yes, I like travel.
But why do you like traveling?
Because it's enjoyable. It's traveling is the education part.
Education part. That means traveling is the part of education.
Education.
So it's a very important sentence, I think. And viewers, I think you are enjoying our tutorial right now. Okay, so now I'd like to ask you, what's your ambition?
My ambition is I wanna be a BCS cadre.
Oh, she wanna be a BCS cadre. So it's a very important ambition, I think, because if she is able to become a BCS cadre, I think she will be able to establish in her life, and it's a very good profession, and everybody respects a BCS cadre simply, I think. Okay, am I right?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, so are you enjoying this session?
Yes, I
Right
very
now?
much enjoyed this session.
Okay, yes, so viewers, already we have completed or finished our Mim's special interview on our tutorial, but I think it's not totally correct. That's in her speech there may have some wrong or mistakes. It doesn't matter, because certainly we learn through mistakes. So I think you are enjoying our tutorial. So that's all about this moment. So thank you so much for attending this
You're
session.
so
Okay,
welcome, sir.
okay, that's all. Okay, wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.